Hello teacher, my name is Pablo Orellana. Today I come present my video about adventure travel and present perfect. Adventure travel vocabulary. Go backpacking, a person who travels with a backpack in his back, hiking or trekking. Go on a cruise. Go on a boat trip to various ports in different countries or locations. Go ballooning. It is to travel in air with an aerostatic balloon over the clouds until you reach any place. Go mountain biking. Cycling on natural circuits, generally through forests on narrow roads with the steep slopes on descents. Rope rafting. River rafting is a sport and recreational activity that consists of going down the river in the direction of the current. Go on safari. It is a trip of distant lands with the intention of visiting the animals of the area. Go sailing. It's a moving down the water with a boat on a vessel. Go to the summer camp. It's an activity that is carried out with children and adolescents in the free time of school activities. Rock climbing. It is an activity that consists of making ascents on walls using physical strength. Present perfect. Grammatic. We use present perfect tense when they are talking about an event that started in the past an event still has some influence in the present. Positive. Subject, have, has, past participle. Negative. Subject, have not or haven't, has not or hasn't, and past participle. Question. Have, has, subject, and past participle. Indication. It's important use the have or has. Just, already, yet. We just when the action happened recently. Example, I have just eaten chicken already. We use already when the action happened sooner than the expected. Example, I have already finished the week's homework. Yet. We use yet when the thing that the action will happen soon. Example, have you watched this film yet? Thanks.